From this to this.
Surprised with an elegantly set table for two in the antique room, otherwise known as our breakfast nook. Everything was done for us, including the meal. Loving crumb snatchers chose the china, cutlery, crystal, finger food, bubbly, cake, and sliced like an orange, smooth chocolate candy. Also, lemon chicken served on al dente, no yolk noodles with a juicy heart-shaped cranberry slice. Like two proud parents, we ate and enjoyed our anniversary meal as we stuck our chests out because we saw the homeschool training was paying off. Every dish, piece of cutlery, and stemware were properly placed. The food fair was arranged as they wanted it to be. After our meal, the dishes were placed in the dishwasher on china setting. Afterwards, gifts were presented. Being taught as early as the age of 2 how to handle fine china, the crumb snatchers did not give any need to be concerned about any breakages or mishandling. It is true. If you train a child how to do things properly, one day they will make you proud. Have you thought about letting your crumb snatcher set your table, cook a meal, or anything else that was impressive for your life or a lifesaver for you? I want to know. The love of our life, Loving Crumb Snatchers celebration of a time years earlier when two people from two different cultures and two separate hearts came together. Two people, two hearts climbed mountains, treaded turmoil, holding on to promises kept. A new dawn appears on not just any day. This day is Anniversary Day, a romantic table for two.